seen the application for joinder, and how did the case actually go today?
You should tell us what transpired in court.
And what transpired today in court?
Okay. When we came in and when the court sat, although we have been served, we were served with the application for joinder. That was on Friday. We responded to say, well, mere looking at the application, you conclude that it's just a ploy to delay the speedy hearing and determination of this case. Because the purported applicant that sought to be joined, he did not disclose any interest he has in this case. This is a mandamus proceeding, and our case is against the Nigerian police that they should reopen the investigation into the causes of the death of Ilerioluwa, that is popularly known as Mohbad. So if you are coming in as an applicant, you must demonstrate before the court that, one, you have interests. In this suit, you never told the court that you are a police officer. You didn't tell the court that you are one of the people that sponsoring this proceeding. You just say, okay, you want the court to join you in the proceeding. So it is a kind of abusive process. And luckily the court, even without hearing and looking at our own process, Somotu on his own dismissed the application. Is the height of abuse of court process. The applicant didn't disclose the interest he has in this case. You didn't tell the court you are a police officer, you are not the commissioner of police, you are not the IG. You just say you want. So you can imagine if every Nigerian, every Canary has to come before the court and apply to be joined, you can imagine what will have happened. That's exactly what happened. Subsequently.
Please, can I cut you? We are not, NBA will not permit you to hold a mic.
May we know the applicant? Who is the applicant? The name?
The registered trustee of Break the Silence, and one of the trustee members is here, is a senior member too, Dr. Badru. Now, we approach the court because by virtue of the aims and objectives of the organization, being a human rights crusader, they instructed us to approach the court to seek the leave of the court to apply for under mandamus. And interestingly, the leave was granted, which paved way for the mandamus itself. The police were duly served. They refused to turn up. They didn't file any process. So what it means is that they've admitted all the facts stated in our affidavit. So that is what happened today.
Okay, for clarity's sake, the person seeking to join, what's his name?
Well, I may not have the name offhand here, but the record of proceeding indicates a substantive matter has been heard and judgment reserved till the 29th of September 2026. So that is the position of the case now. We have argued our matter, regardless of whether the police turn up or not. We've served them. We have done what is required of us to do under the law. They refused to show up. And we had no option than to proceed with the hearing of the case. And luckily for us, the matter was heard and adjourned for judgment.